Recently, I posted one ad in Craigslist, and in response, one scammer tried to contact me. He was repeatedly asking the code which I received from some Google Voice number 22,000 to verify that I am a real human. I got a little suspicious about it and tried to search it on internet and found out that this is a common scam technique where these scammers get your number from Craigslist and scam you. In all the links in my screen, you will see it is showing that the scammer will ask for the verification code in your mobile, and then they will try to hack your email and mobile. Even in the Forbes as well as NBC website, you can see these articles about such scams. In the screenshot, you will see that I received this SMS from this number, and initially he said he saw my ad on Craigslist. Is it still available? He wanted to make sure that I am a real human, and he sent me a code, and he wanted me to share the code. And I got little suspicion in the first, but then I thought, is it a bot attack or is it a real human scammer? So I tried to get engaged in the conversation, and you can see he is repeatedly asking the code which I have received on my mobile. So then I was pretty sure that this guy is a scammer, and I need to stop this. So when you see here, you can see that this has already happened with a lot of people, and there is proper information available about the 22,000 number, which is a Google Voice common number, where you can see this is the upwards also. So looks like this answer is legit, and you can see if you share the code, basically you are screwed. So you should be beware. So the scammer was trying to bypass the two-step verification so that he can enable either the transaction through my email or by my mobile. So when you search that, is that happened with other users as well? Yes, a lot. And they repeatedly received the verification code from 22,000, which is a default Google Voice number. So he created the fake number using Google Voice, not fake number but a Google Voice number, and was trying to get the authentication which I received on my phone. So yeah, so this is a scam technique which you can see is happening here. All the reviews are there, you can see. Even when you go to the Craigslist scams guidelines, it is clearly mentioned that any message asking about these things might be a scam. And there are few links also where you can report such fraudulent messages. So most of the scams involve email text from someone, and it might be not your local area. You can identify by their poor English, and there are other types of scams also other than this small SMS thing, two-step verification bypass, where he used the Google Voice number to contact me and was trying to get the SMS code to bypass the two-factor authentication. So beware guys, you need to be aware of this scam to keep yourself safe.